How to create a Roblox account. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, open up our browser and type in roblox.com. Now you will see a sign up layout like this. Starting off, enter your date of birth. Next, enter username and mind it, do not use your original name. Select on the username preference. Now enter a strong password to secure your Roblox account. Then select a gender and lastly select on the sign up button. Just like that, you have created your very own Roblox account. Now, to verify account, firstly add an email address. Enter the email address that you are currently using or is available. Then, an OTP code will be sent via your email for a verification. Enter the OTP code. Once verified, you'll be able to log in via your email address in the case of forgotten credential as well. And it's a wrap for the video. Thank you so much for tuning in.